Hey guys, it's Aaron here, and today we're gonna be reacting to an old video that I made, who knows, a long time ago, of this. Anyways, this is what it looks like. So sadly you guys won't see it, but I will. Anyways, I'm gonna react to it. It's gonna be weird, guys, I know. Anyways, I'll show you. I really want to try and for you guys to see it, but that isn't good. Anyways, let's start it in 3, 2, 1. Also, this was made by B when I forgot, when I was like, I don't know actually, but let's just get into this. 3, 2, 1. What the heck? What was that scream? What the heck? Okay, that was such crazy trains. What the heck? Oh, copyright. I'm gonna get copyright. If no, I'm gonna get copyright. I'm gonna get copyright of this dog food brand. That guy shouldn't even say that. I'm gonna get copyright. Yeah? Anyways, I'll have to skip through this. So I'm gonna get copyrighted. Anyways. Oh shoot, I can't really react to this, guys, because it has copyright issues. Nope, that copyright issue doesn't want to go to me. Except for the game. What do you press? Whatever floats your boat of what you want to press. Oh, did you hear that? Did you hear me say, press that? What do I press? Just press something. That's me, by the way. I'm really mean. I was really mean. He didn't even do anything. And I just said, I'm not your friend anyways. Anyways, there I go walking into my room. I am so mean. I am so mean. Anyways, guys, that was the video, and I'm gonna go further. I'm gonna take another snap. I'm gonna go to the future of when we made another video. Hold on, guys. This may take a little bit of a time. Okay, anyways, here it is. Oh shoot, didn't get you guys prepared. Anyways, so I'm gonna be reacting to a video I made in the future about Alex attacking me, I believe, and stuff. Anyways, we'll react to it. 3, 2, 1, go. Why would he want to hide under a shirt? That's weird. That I found interesting. Oh, what the heck? Why is Alex going like... I can't even do it. What the heck is going on? I can't even see anything. What is that saying? What is that noise? I mean, whatever it is. Alright. What the heck? Okay, jump scare right there. Oh goodness. What the heck is it? No words. No words. What the heck was that sound that I just made? Who knows what it is, but I'll never be able to achieve it at all ever again. Anyways, guys, that was both those videos I reacted to. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe to this video if you're new around here. And if you want me to make more videos, why not put a comment down below? Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to see more videos, hey, subscribe to me. Anyways, that was a weird reaction video, and guys, bye!